Are you looking for the best remote control cars? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best remote control cars on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Traxxas Stampede 4x4 BL2's RTR remote control car. The Traxxas stamped RC car is our top choice because it combines speed, handling, and power better than any other option we tested. The oversized monster truck-style tires aren't just for style. They provided great traction and grip on dirt and rocks as well as concrete and linoleum. Even next to speed-focused cars, the Traxxas drove with notable zip. What impressed us most was the handling. Even on uneven grass and dirt, we felt comfortable making sharp turns and precise movements at high speeds, and the vehicle didn't topple over. That said, even when we did crash the car, accidental head-on collisions into trees and 3-foot falls off rocks, it was no worse for wear. Another key distinction for this RC car was how responsive and powerful the suspension was. Driving on bumpy surfaces and through dirt never swayed or threw it off course. The suspension made it easier to perform short jumps over ramps and ledges without crashing or damaging the vehicle. Number 2. Traxxas TRX4M 4x4 crawler with Ford Bronco body. If you've got a love for model cars, this is the right RC car for you. This scaled-down Ford Bronco is the near-spitting image of the real thing without the less-than-ideal gas mileage and pounding engine. The miniature car also has grippy tires that match the slow, but powerful motor. This means just like in real life, your Bronco climbs over rocks and up inclines with ease. We tested the car going up large boulders in the park, and while it never zoomed over them, it continued moving effortlessly. We of course love the accurate exterior shell, but also found the interior body to be quite impressive. The car has a flexible frame and suspension system that allows for easy climbing on uneven surfaces. It comes with 2 headlights which, when the Bronco shell is snapped on, only further adds to the look. You can grab one of these RC cars in multiple colors including blue, orange, white, gray, and black. Number 3. Traxxas LaTrax Desert Prerunner Racing Truck. If you want speed, try out this LaTrax Prerunner Racing Truck. While you may not win competitive RC races with professional builds, this is a hobby-grade car with some serious juice behind it for its size. Driving it around took a bit of an adjustment to the quick acceleration and sharp turns it's capable of, but that's the exact type of challenge our team, and many of you, love to take on. The grippy tires and bouncy suspension also meant that this car picks up some serious speed outdoors. We drove it over hills and through rocks without losing any speed in the process. We love the way it spins and drifts when it has some dirt or gravel underneath it, and found ourselves trying to spin it around trees for fun. The car, much like other Traxxas products, is also quite durable. It handled a few spills and wipeouts with no real damage to the body or motor. That said, be careful driving it through leaves and sticks because we found several accumulate under the outer shell after our drive. Number 4. Kobotix Real Racer Remote Control Car with Camera. For a small tech twist on the RC classic, this Real Racer from Kobotix puts you in the driver's seat for a first-person view through the windshield with VR goggles. While we were initially skeptical of the added element, we were pleasantly surprised at how easy the setup was. We downloaded the free app, connected to the car, paired it with the goggles, and we were off and driving. Once the goggles were on, it felt like we were sitting in the car ourselves. We were really impressed with how clear the footage was and most importantly, how quickly it transmitted to the smartphone. If there was too much lag, we wouldn't be able to properly drive without running into things. That said, be careful driving too far away as the signal gets spotty as you drive further from the phone. The RC car is quite compact as well, which makes this a pretty portable toy that slides easily into a bag or backpack without much bulk. The car also operates without the goggles, so if you want a straightforward driving experience, you've got that too. The only drawback, though probably not a deal breaker, is that its tires aren't meant to handle outdoor terrain. Number 5. Powerextra LED Gesture RC Car. The Powerextra LED Gesture RC car is an exciting 4WD remote control stunt vehicle designed for kids aged 8 and up. With gesture control, double-sided driving, 360 degrees flips, and off-road capabilities, this RC car delivers an action-packed experience. The LED lights and music add an extra level of fun, making it a great choice for kids who love cool tech toys. Key features and performance. Gesture and remote control comes with both a traditional remote controller and a motion-sensitive gesture wristband, allowing kids to control the car with hand movements. Double-sided driving and 360 degrees flips, the car can drive on both sides, perform crazy flips, and maneuver effortlessly over obstacles. 4WD off-road capability, equipped with rugged tires and powerful motors, making it great for indoor and outdoor play on grass, sand, gravel, and carpets. LED lights and music, bright LED lights and built-in music effects create a visually exciting experience, especially in low-light conditions. Rechargeable battery includes a USB rechargeable battery, ensuring extended playtime without constantly replacing batteries. Durable and kid-friendly, made from high-quality ABS plastic, making it shock-proof and impact-resistant for rough play.